If you fired it up, there we have your badge, M2. Base price. So my question for you guys. Yes, baby. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a new Inside series of this Long Beach Blue LCI BMW M2. So, this is indeed the facelift model. It's a 2017 produced car, and yeah, the car has some updates on the exterior and also on the interior. Some minor upgrades to be exactly. So, for example, over here we can see some new rear lights. Engine-wise, there are not a lot of changes. Actually, nothing. So let's do an inside series on the exterior, interior, and of course the cool rev shots. But first, let's have a look at the option list. Okay, the option list of the M2. Here we go. Base price 86,000 euros. Color Long Beach Blue. And inside we have black leather. So these are the base options of the car. Some more base options of the car, and these are some extra options. So let's highlight a few. Well, we have a heat and steering wheel, we have some comfort access, rear view camera, we have a sunroof, the seats are electronic adjustable, we have over here driving assistant, personal service, we have Apple CarPlay. That's inside the new iDrive 6. We have comfort telephone preps with wireless charging. We have the M driver package. It gauges the speed limiter to 280, and you get a driving training from BMW. And we have speed limit info on the center display. So including all the options, the total price including tax in the Netherlands, almost 100k. Okay, starting at the front, we see of course the M2 badge in the kidneys, and we see the new facelifted headlights. The hexagon design is this. All the newer models of BMW have those design. We see again the M aerodynamic bumper with the intakes on this side and on the center side, and also here's some air for the brake channels. Continue to the wheels. We see, well, the same wheels as the M3 and the M4, but actually also the same brake system, 4 pistons, really some serious big brakes. Look at this. So the front tire sizes are 245, 35, 19 inch. Cool blue calipers with the M logo. Here we have the M2 badge. Mirror. Really personal love the color of the Long Beach Blue design. And if we continue to the rear wheels, you can see that we have 265, 35, 19 inch. And also again on the rear side we have some special blue calipers and some big brakes. Like this design, gives the car some serious wheel arches. Okay, on the rear side we see a big change on the rear lights. These are the new L designed rear lights of the 2 series, full LED. Then we have the M rear exhausts with the diffuser, the rear view camera over here. There we have your badge M2 next to the new uprated rear lights. Cool thing to highlight on the M cars, for example also on this M2, is the widened body kit over here on the rear side, and on the front side it stands out from the regular models. Okay, Long Beach Blue exterior check. Let's pop the hood and pop the trunk. same engine as the non-facelift model. The car is producing still 370 horsepower from the inline twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine. Okay, the trunk space is well, it's large. It's a coupe, so we have a lot of space in the trunk. Okay, it's time to get in the M2. Let's put my bag over here. Okay, inside the M2, start at the doors, we can see the black leather with the cool contrast blue stitching, cool design matching with the cars. Here we have the Alcantara design in the door, cool luxurious design. We have some carbon design here inside the door handle. There we have the Harman Kardon audio system, another speaker over here. And then we have in the door, we have the M badge, and we have the black M seats, memory seats, fully electronic, adjustable. Let's put her a little bit in the back for the view. Okay. Welcome inside. Let's fire the engine up so that you can heat a little bit up for the rev shots. Yeah, the sunroof is open, so the exhaust note is good to hear. Okay, starting on this side, we can see the full automatic light switch over here. Here we have driving assistant and your brake assistant. Here we see the new speedometers from the M2 with the facelift. They're not digital, it's just a black dash if you turn them off. For example, like this. If you look closely, you can see the speedometers and the numbers. If you fire it up, you can see it all. So continuing with the dash, it's not leather, but you can see some stitching over here. So that's a really cool look. If you don't have a leather dash, you still have some stitching. Fully black. Over here we have again the carbon fiber design, and we have a full new design on the dashboard. And we have the new iDrive 6 with a full touchscreen. So with the LCI model, BMW redesigned the dash. So the vents are new integrated in this design. Some cool metal design here for the interior trims. So then we have the radio controls, and over here we have the climate control system, fully electronic of course, with heated seats over here. So here we have two cup holders, USB input, and some extra power, 12 volts. Here we control the DSC, the traction control. Here we have the Sport Plus and the Comfort modes. So here we have the control for the iDrive 6. Here at the center console, more carbon fiber design. Here in the armrest we have an extra USB input and some mobile preps. On this side again, the M seats of the passenger with your M badge. Cool black leather with Long Beach blue stitching. Here again the passenger door with the Alcantara, black leather and the carbon fiber. Here we have the little glove box, we have the option list. Over here we have some LED lighting. We have an SOS button, and we control the sunroof over here. But for now, let's open her for some extra light for you guys. Okay, here we go. So the steering wheel, full black leather. Good to know that the steering wheel has the option to be heated. So if you push the button, the steering wheel is heating up. Shift down, shift up. Extra long pedals, BMW M only. Here we control your cruise control. And here's some volume and some extra options for your radio for the center console. And then we have the back seat. So I'm gonna sit in the back seat, show you guys the comfort in the back seats and the space. So if you want to go in the back seats, you can use this button to adjust the seat so you have a more comfortable access. Okay. Okay, so the rear seats of the M2. So you can see that I'm okay, comfortable. I'm not the biggest guy, but still I'm sitting good over here. So if you need to travel with some extra persons, it isn't a problem, trust me. It can be worse in some worse cars. Here in the center we have cool armrests with 2 cup holders. And yeah, the leather is good, feels good. Yeah, enough said. It's time for the rev shots. The engine is temperature is good, so let's hear that. 370 horsepower, 465 Newton meters of torque engine. Okay. So the M2 LCI, the facelift model, still sounds good. Even though it's a stock exhaust system, she screams good. You can hear the inline 6 engine rumble really good. Also for me, a really good question, is this the spec I would like to drive next year's season? Definitely. In this color, Long Beach blue, with this spec, with the facelift lights on the front and on the back, I love it personally. So my question for you guys, would you like to see me drive this M2 LCI instead of the M140i next year with the new car season, driving all car events and rallies, so that I can experience and tell you more about this car and show you also more about this car, and especially some performance with the car? Let me know, guys, I'm curious. Thank you for watching this inside series of this M2 LCI. If you need any info on the car, check out the description below, of course, as always. And I will see you on the next car vlog. Ciao! What up, Graham? It's the M2. 2, baby. Yes, the facelift model. So the M2 LCI, aka the facelift, has Some new exterior details like this, the rear lights. And from the exterior also the new 2017 hexagon designed front lights. And also inside some updates like this, a new dash, not digital, and the new iDrive 6 with the touchscreen. So let's fire her up. New cool color design on the dash, the speedometers. So there's an inside series coming up on this M2 LCI, and the big question is this going to be the new car? Inside series are cool, but they like to drink this again. Okay, see you later, alligator.